Have you ever wondered how people become wealthy through real estate investment? Is it only through buying and selling properties, or there are multiple ways investors actually make money? Welcome to my channel Voices of Inside Business Simplified, and in this video I'll explain 6 different ways of real estate investment model, especially focusing on opportunities like Dubai real estate. The first and most common way investors make money is through capital appreciation. That simply means buying a property at a lower price and selling it later at a higher price. For example, you buy a property, say in 1 million dirhams. After a few years, its value becomes, say, 1.4 million dirhams, and the profit straight away becomes 400,000 dirhams. This increase in value is called capital gain, and property prices usually rise in Dubai because of increasing population, infrastructure development, tourism growth, and business demand. The second major source of income is rental income. Investors buy property and rent it out to tenants. Like if they have a property, say in 1 million dirhams, the annual rent would be anywhere around 80,000 dirham to 100,000 dirhams. And the rental yield automatically becomes minimum 8%. There are two major rental models: long-term rental, which is stable yearly income, and short-term rental, which is like holiday homes. This is especially popular in tourist cities like Dubai. The third, another powerful strategy is off-plan investment. This means buying directly from the developer before construction is completed. Why do investors like it? Because launch prices are usually lower. For example, investor buys at a rate of 800,000 dirhams during the launch, and over the construction time the market value rises to 1.1 million dirhams, and the straightaway profit becomes 300,000 dirhams without even paying the full upfront amount. Fourth way is property flipping. Some investors make money through this property flipping, which can be for the primary or the secondary market, both of them. Let me first explain you about the secondary market flipping. In this, the investor will buy any undervalued property, he'll renovate and resell at a higher price. And the example for this could be like, suppose the property is bought at a value of 700,000 dirhams. The owner will renovate it with an extra cost of 80 to 100,000 dirhams and sell it at anywhere between 950 to 1 million dirhams. And that is how this is a quick profit opportunity. In case of primary market, that is for the off-plan properties, the returns will be even higher because there you can sell off the under construction property with anywhere 30 to 50% of the payment directly to the developer. Of course, this is subject from developer to developer. They have their own terms and conditions, but most of the times the developers do allow the resale of the property with 30 to 50% of payment to them. After this, you get higher returns with lower payments. I shall be explaining the concept of property flipping, especially for the off-plan projects, in detail in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let's move on with the fifth most common method of making money through property investment in Dubai. And that is holiday homes and Airbnb. See, in cities like Dubai, which has a strong tourism, holiday homes generate excellent returns. Tourists often prefer either apartments or villas or serviced residences. In peak season, short-term rentals may generate even higher income than yearly rentals. One of the biggest advantages of real estate is leverage. What does that mean? You can control a big asset with smaller investments. For example, investor pays, say, 200,000 dirham for a property of 1 million, and the bank finances, say, 800,000 dirhams. Now, if property price increases, your return on actual invested money becomes much higher. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe my channel for more UAE business insights and investment informations. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.